Turn words into images. The art world just got an upgrade. Discover how to command an AI that transforms your wildest ideas into reality with the precision of a seasoned artist. What you will learn in this course. Ever thought about creating stunning visuals with just words? In this course, you'll master Stable Diffusion, an AI tool to turn your ideas into images with no design skills required. As you move through the course, you'll gain a solid grasp of prompt crafting, adjusting settings, and using advanced techniques. You'll learn how to write prompts that translate your ideas into exactly what you envision. From choosing the right words to blending artistic styles, you'll unlock the secrets of precise image generation. But learning isn't just about theory. So, throughout the course, you'll get plenty of chances to put your new skills into action. Once you've mastered the art of prompt crafting, you'll dive into real-time image creation. Stable Diffusion in action. But enough talk, let's see Stable Diffusion in action. For this, we will generate a couple of images with Stable Diffusion. We'll be using Stable Diffusion via the OpenArt platform in this example. In the left-hand menu, click on Create Image. After clicking, you'll see a workspace with several panels and tools. On the right, there's a prompt box where you can type your idea. Let's begin writing your first creative prompt. Cool, right? But that's just the beginning. How about something more fantastical? Where to work? If you're already intrigued, then there is some good news. Good news! You don't need to install anything. Instead, in the Coursive app, head over to the AI Tools tab and practice crafting prompts by choosing Stable Diffusion in the Image Generation section. Apply what you've learned. Whether you're looking to create art for fun or for professional projects, the skills you develop in this course will give you the power to produce visuals that stand out. You'll be ready to apply everything you've learned to real-world scenarios. Your journey ahead. Overall, progressing from basics to advanced techniques, you'll explore the nuts and bolts of Stable Diffusion. By the end of this journey, you'll be able to generate the art that you want. From photorealistic portraits to surreal landscapes, from blending artistic styles to creating your own, you'll master the craft of working with generative AI. Ready to begin? Ready to start transforming your ideas into visual masterpieces? Then let's dive into the world of Stable Diffusion, where your imagination is the only limit. Understanding Stable Diffusion. Let's take a closer look at how Stable Diffusion works. We've already seen what it can do, so now it's time to learn how it processes images and generates results. The basics of Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion is based on a process called a diffusion model. It might sound complicated, but it's simply a way of transforming noisy, unclear images into clear, detailed ones. Let's break it down. Imagine starting with a clear image and slowly adding noise until it becomes almost impossible to see. A diffusion model does the opposite. It takes a noisy image and gradually removes the noise until the original image becomes clear again. How Stable Diffusion uses text prompts. Stable Diffusion doesn't just remove noise randomly, it follows instructions based on text prompts. For example, if you type "flying unicorn," the system will shape the noise into something that looks like a unicorn with wings. How does it know what the flying unicorn looks like? Stable Diffusion has been trained on a large dataset of images and descriptions, so it knows how to create new images based on past examples. What makes Stable Diffusion special? Stable Diffusion is popular because it's fast. While other AI tools may take longer, Stable Diffusion can generate high-quality images in a short time. Along with speed, Stable Diffusion also offers excellent image quality. You get sharp details, bright colors, and the ability to create complex scenes. It's a powerful tool for creating visuals quickly. Another advantage of Stable Diffusion is its flexibility. Since it's open source, you can customize it for your specific needs if you have the right technical knowledge. Stable Diffusion's artistic arsenal. Now let's talk about what Stable Diffusion can actually do. First off, it's a pro at creating original images from text descriptions. Whether you're imagining a futuristic cityscape or a whimsical fairy tale scene, Stable Diffusion can bring to life what you have already seen. Additionally, Stable Diffusion can generate images in a wide range of styles. From photorealistic portraits to abstract art, from anime-style characters to oil painting landscapes. If you can describe it, Stable Diffusion can create it. Now that you've explored how Stable Diffusion works, let's put your knowledge to the test. Also in the future, you'll learn how to use Stable Diffusion to work image to image, from editing existing parts to in painting, filling in or replacing parts of an image using AI, and outpainting, extending an image beyond its original edges. Stable Diffusion will get you covered. Your creative journey continues. Now that we've covered the basics of how Stable Diffusion works, we are ready to explore each of the aspects in depth. Up next, we'll be diving into the art of prompt crafting. Stay tuned for practical tips to enhance your image generation process.